Hello students, how are you? So today we are going to learn third chapter in the EVS class 4, that is A Day with Nandu. So please open your textbook, the page number 21. Okay, that is chapter 3, A Day with Nandu. Who is Nandu? Who is Nandu? Nandu is a baby elephant. Nandu is a baby elephant. Nandu woke up and opened his eyes. For few seconds he was not sure where he was. It seems to him that he was surrounded by the forest of big grey tree trunks. He blinked his eyes and looked around. Oh, there was Amma. Okay, this one is who is Nandu? Nandu is a baby elephant. He thought that he was surrounded by the forest of big grey trees. It is, isn't it? No, it is not a grey trees, but it is a family of Nandu itself. Okay, so after that he blinks his eyes. He thought that there was Amma. The grey forest that he had imagined he was in was actually the legs and trunks of his family members. See, that is not a tree, that is a legs and trunks. What is trunks? Elephants trunks, that is a big nose. Okay, trunk means elephant's big nose. Okay, long elongated nose. The sun was overhead and it was getting hot. Nanima trumpeted, made a loud sound. Who is Nanima? Nanima is the oldest. Nanima is mother's mother. Okay, mother's mother. Who's Nandu's mother's mother is Nanima. Nandu is a baby elephant. Baby elephant. Okay, who is Nanima? Nanima is Nandu's mother's mother. Okay, is the oldest in this herd of elephant. Herd means group of animals or group of elephants. A group of elephants we call it as herd. In a herd, oldest member is a Nanima. Okay, oldest member in the herd is Nanima. The other female elephant saw her and started to follow her. Nandu also went with them. So when a oldest, who is the leader? Nanima is the leader of that herd. Okay, what is herd? Herd is a group of group of elephants. So Nanima started to walk. Then other elephants, who is female, only female elephants followed her. Along with that, this baby Nandu also followed her. When they reached the jungle, the members of the herd started spreading out. Each member went to eat her favorite leaves and twigs. Herd means large of animals. Then twigs means stem of the trees. You know leaves and all. Twigs means stem of a tree. Then after that they have eaten. Okay, everything they have eaten. The herd moved. So after the filling of their stomachs and all, they moved. Where they moved? They moved towards water. When a Nanima start walking, other elephants who are there in the herd, they will started to follow Nanima. So they moved to water. The baby elephant enjoyed playing with water. The mother lay down in the water and the mud on the river bank. Okay, they were playing in a mud and water. So they were enjoying. Nandu also enjoying. Then they were after that Nandu was afraid to go to water because it may be a deep inside, isn't it? No. So after that her mother, who's Nandu mother, only pushed them into the water. Then with their cousins, who's Nandu's cousins and Nandu, were playing in a mud and in the water. This was a small story about a Nandu. But here what we are going to learn about elephant. Okay, about elephant. You know how elephant looks? See, elephant looks like this, correct? With long, what is that? Trunks and tucks and body parts, legs, ears and all, correct? So elephant can eat more than 1000 kilograms, okay, kilograms of leaves and twigs in a day. How many? 100 kilograms. 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs in a day. And elephant do not take much rest. Okay, they were sleeping around 2 to 4 hours only in a day. Sleeping time was like 2 to 4 hours. This one is per day. Sleeping hours is 2 to 4 hours only. Sleeping hour. Who's sleeping hour? This one? The elephant. And elephant love to play with mud and water. The mud keeps their skin cool. Okay, why they are interested to play with mud and water? Because that mud and water keeps them cool, keeps them their skin cool. So they were happy to play. They love to play with mud and water. So they were a big ears, right? And for elephant there will be big ears, correct? There will be a big ears that will help them like fans. That is like help them like a fans. The elephant flap these, okay, to keep themselves cool when they become hot. No, when it is very summer and all. If they want any air, so they will flap their ears to give some cool to them body. Okay, so next we will talk about trunk. Okay, what is that trunk? What may be the muzzle? How many muzzles does an elephant trunk maybe have? How many muzzles? An elephant trunk is actually a long nose. Okay, elephant trunk is a long nose. Elephant trunk is a long nose and it consists of 40,000 muzzles. It consists of 40,000 muzzles. See student, in our body we have only 600 muscles. In our whole body we have only 600 muscles. In an elephant, if you take elephant, in the elephant trunk is one part, correct? Trunk is a one part. In that part only they have 40,000 muscles. Just compare elephant trunk and us. See, we have only 600 muscles in our whole body. What about elephant trunk? It is only a 40,000 trunk. So why we are using trunk? What is the help of trunk? This is used for smelling, breathing, trumpeting, drinking. Okay, that will be help for trunk, will be help for smelling. Okay, smelling the things, breathing, trumpeting and drinking the water. Then we will move on to the another one is tusk. Okay, tusk is we are calling in Kannada as a danta. Okay, danta, you know, that is a tusk. Okay, so tusk is evaluated from the teeth. Okay, this one's evaluated from the teeth. Evaluated from teeth. Why it is there for elephant? It helps for the purpose of tusk is for digging the things. Okay, for digging the things, lifting the objects, gathering food, stripping bark from trees to eat, and for defense. Okay, these are the purpose of tusk. Another name for tusk is ivory. Okay, another name for tusk is ivory. Okay, these are all have help for the tusk. And also elephant is a human friendly. Okay, elephant is a human friendly. Have you any take ride on the elephants? Do you have? Once I have taken a ride. Okay, will you get any time? You just take a ride on elephant. Okay, these are all about elephants. So elephant has a trunk and tusk. Trunk and tusk is very helpful for animals. In the trunk there will be about 40,000 muscles, and elephant trunk it is a long nose. What is the help? For smelling, for breathing. Then what about trumpeting? Then drinking. What about tusk? Tusk is evaluated from teeth itself. It is another name is was ivory. What is the help? Digging, collecting the food, gathering the food and lifting the objects, and for the defense it will be help for the elephant. So next, I already told about herd, correct? Herd is an elephant, a group of elephant, we call it as a herd. In a herd there will be a 40 to 50 members. Okay, so herd may have only 10 to 12 female elephants. Okay, only 10 to 12 female elephants with young ones. Along with the young ones, 10 to 12 only a female elephants. Okay, female elephants, not a male elephants, only a female elephants. Then male elephants lives in a herd till they are 14 to 15 years old. Till a 14-15 years old, that a male elephant live with the herd. After the aging of 14-15, they leave the herd. Only a female elephants are with in the group of elephants. Okay, understood? So what I am going to tell is, the oldest female is a leader of the herd. Oldest female is a correct leader of the herd, and herd may have only 10 to 12 female elephant along with the young ones, and the male elephant who aged till 14-15 are living with a herd. After that they will leave the herd. Understood? This is all about the elephant. Now we will learn more about other animals. What is that? A group of ants, we call it as a colony. Group of elephant, we call it as a herd. What about ants? We call it as a colony. A group of frogs, we call it as an army. Okay, group of butterflies, we call it as a rebel. Group of birds, we call it as a flock. Flocks. Can you see a flock of birds? Can you see a flock of birds? See, a group of fish is called it as, we call it as a school. Group of lion is a pride. Group of giraffe, a tower, because it is tower like, no. Group of crows is a murder. We call it as a murder. A group of camels, we call it as a caravan. Group of buffalo is called it as a gang. A gang. So these are some of the examples. Okay, you should know about this one. Okay, these are so, and you have to know about, we have to save the elephants, correct? We have to save the elephant. We should not give trouble to them, is it, no children? Because they are like one living being, correct? We should not harm them. Not only elephants, to frogs or butterflies, anyone, there is also one living thing, correct? So this is all about a day with Nandu. Okay, Nandu is a baby elephant. So we learnt about a family of Nandu, and also about a herd. We learnt about what are the uses of elephant trunk and tusk, and we learnt about different groups what we are going to call. Understood? So this is about the lesson, a day with Nandu.